It's showtime.
So immature, so imma-fucking-ture. Honestly, I'm fucking kids. Really am.
Well, what's Simon doing? What's in here?
That's me, didn't he?
I never.
Fucking kidding me.
Well,
You flashed him.
You've done it to me enough times.
No, I've never done it to you.
Yeah, you have a scope,
Oh
so
my
you got-
fucking god, Lasty! Fucking hell.
No, it's not.
Oh,
Are you too fucking around?
That went past me and it still got me! Oh, fuck's sake, Lasty.
Nasty?
Yeah, good one, Lasty.
Cheers, man.
I don't even have to look, I know it's you.
Oh, I mean, what are you on about? I didn't do nothing.
You lie!
No, I want to eat my chicken, mate. Just sitting, my chicken's just sitting there.
Where are they camping at? Do you think they're out in the, like, in the trees?
Hang on, I can eat someone. Two on me.
Knocked one.
That's one.
Got the other one.
Nice, mate. Nice.
One left, mate.
It's me. It's us two v one person, mate.
Just take your time, boys. Take your time.
I've heard this. I see him.
Where
Made
is he?
him.
Down the
I
hill.
think he's by the stream. I think so. Let's see tomorrow.
Nice.
Woo!
Savvy, water bots are all out. That's your call.
Shut up!
What is he doing? Can't shoot him there. What's he doing?
I want to kill for ages.
Stop thinking about it so much.
I mean, come on, give me a break. You can't eat, you can't sleep. What are you supposed to do, you know?
Yeah, they are actually.
The Belchkin had come back with a vengeance.
Oh, that left.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
I know. Got fucking tell me about it, Colonel. Tell me about it. He don't fucking sharp, does he? It's because he's not stuffing his face with food. He gets frustrated when he's not eating. Like a lost vagina.
He didn't fucking come off my hand.
If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball.
Ow!
Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 ba da da.
Magnificent!
Watch out.
Fuck you, chicken mohawk. How are you not dead, boy? Went down.
Boy!
Yeah, you're making me crawl, but I'm gonna get him. Come on, Andre, where are you? Say that. Everyone's went down. I don't know if he's got down in there, Kai. So watch out. His friends, I killed him on the stairs. His friend's got like a chicken mask or something. Silly cunt.
Shit. Oh, mate, that's driving. Oh my god, you got no control on this thing. Thanks, Martin. Martin, you're gonna kill me! Fucking idiot!
Fucking battle.
I'll send you an invite, Martin. And, when,
13 left.
yeah, no worries, mate. So when Savvy dies, he just tell me anything, can't he?
Wait, whoa. When I die,
When Sam comes second. Sorry.
Ah! Ah! No!
You guys have got to try and get in somehow. Left, possibly. Yeah, the white. Where are you? What am I looking at? Yeah, that wall in front of you. Yeah. So. There's a guy below it as well. There's a guy below that wall as well. Just keep swinging to the right, to the left side. Oh, they're fucking you up, mate. There's 3 of them there shooting at you. How are you not dead? How are you not dead?
No, Darcy! Will you shut up? Jinxing it! Fucking fly now! Sake.
You're fucking dancing! All their bullets getting fucking shot at you, mate, and you weren't getting hit. Oh, I'm go for a week, I'll piss myself.
Well, at least I stopped shooting at you, man. You got a chance to get in. Bastards. Oh shit, watch out, man. Oh, whoa, you need to heal up. You got none left, do you? Got close to him, then drank again. Oh my god. I was thinking, one of the lads running.
You think this is the real Quaid? It is.
What the fuck? Yes, Martin! Go on! No! He doesn't know! No! Oh no! Oh! Just run with them like they're your teammates! Alright, man! Alright!
Oh, so I'm clearing room for the next course.
To order straight away.
Halsey. God.
Is it you?
No! I'm nervous that the fucking glass broke. You must be in the next one.
Oh, but it wasn't this one. I don't die.
Ah!
I'm upstairs. Where are you?
Down here.
Here.
I'm gonna burn him. Watch out. Set the light. Behind you!
Another one coming. I heard him. Fucking hell. Oh. Nice. Collateral damage.
It's not like fucking knock on wood. It's not like I'm gonna say dong dong dong. It's like
I'm done with
bread.
this conversation now.
It's only been
Well,
2
I'm
minutes.
not. Yeah. Quality
2 minutes in, we're
content.
talking about wood and bread.
Oh my god, the content just makes itself with me in the body, isn't it? Just like bread.